good, man? H-Town in the building, man. What's up, man? H-Town, man. H-Town in Louisville, man. What it do, man? I'm with the gang right now. Oh, shit. He scared them. Just picked up some S-Tech lowering springs off of Marketplace. Just for now, get the car lowered. You know, build on a budget. Give me the tool. Which tool? You can see the oil line from there too.
So you just take this out to 17.
Put a damn foot in here. Gap gotta go. Gotta go, let it go. Put it down slowly. Got them holes out. I don't know though, it's definitely looking a lot better though than what it was before. What's up, boy? You hungry? Get surgical for you. Sit. Good. Down. Good. Yes. Good boy. Come this way. Get back. Back up. Good boy. Paw. Good boy. Tap me up. Good boy. Get back. Good. Yes. You silly. You silly boy. Bro, I swear he never gets full, bro. He literally eats so much he never gets full. What you got, a little itch going on? Damn. You alright, boy? It's starting to come together. It's looking a lot better. You know what I'm saying? Still gotta do the rears. But now it's sitting a lot lower. Let's go test it out. Get back inside. Go. Go back inside. My brother said my exhaust is super red and that it was shooting flames. Wow. It looks so much better now that it's lowered in the front. The front dropped at least 2 inches. The rear dropped just like a little bit. Something's not right because I could fit 3 fingers comfortably on this side, and then when I go on this side, I'm struggling to fit 3 fingers comfortably. So something might not be right, but I think it'll just settle in. Look at how much better it looks, bro. It just looks way better now. Like the front used to be so high. Now it's sitting perfectly. Damn near perfectly. The car is very dirty right now, but who knows? I gotta wash it up, clean it up. Still clean though, if you ask me. Sitting dirty, but this gas station lighting just be hitting different. Is that a boost gauge, dog? Is that a stick shift, dog?